The maintenance team is the critical part of any community. If you don't have them, you really don't have anything. HD Supply and the NAA have teamed up to recognize maintenance legends across the country.
Going that extra mile, so many of them take on a daily basis that sometimes goes unnoticed.
We thank you and are very honored to get to spotlight you.
One of the things I like the most about the business is there is a different challenge every day.
I had 37 years of knowledge. There's no such thing as small, big task. You want to always do it at 100%.
I love working with my team. Every day is a different challenge. Pretty much sweat every day.
My favorite part of the job is making my residents' lives easier by quickly and effectively resolving issues.
I am beyond honored to receive this recognition. Thank you.
I take pride in everything I do. Keep pushing, set your goals, and organize yourself, and you'll be successful. Being the only female on a maintenance team, it was hard, but they pulled me in. I worked in this industry 20 plus years.
She is special because she loves what she does and she's passionate about it. I know the extra things that she does for people. We had a resident that had fallen ill and she was in the hospital long term. There was a leak and she discovered that there was mold and a lot of hoarding going on in the apartment. She immediately stepped in.
We had trash in that unit, probably ankle high, throughout all the rooms, stuff stacked up the wall. We had reached out to several vendors to come in and try to get the house cleaned up, and they refused to do it. I looked at it like, what if this was my grandmother, my mother, my sister, my aunt? I couldn't let her come back to the house like that. So I put my respirator on, put my suit on, and said my little prayer, and went head on in.
She cleaned it up and made it so that the resident would have a safe, clean, and comfortable environment to come home. And she just did that out of the goodness of her heart. That's the kind of person she is. She has a huge heart.
You know, that lady didn't have nobody, but just to see her with a smile on her face, it was a good feeling to help people out.
My favorite part of the job is I love seeing smiles on the resident faces because I love what I do.
My team makes this job not feel like a job, but it's a place where we can overcome challenges and all prosper together.
I love what I do every day. I've dedicated a lot of my career to training people and watching them succeed.
Take care of each other and take care of our residents. Happy team, happy residents.
I've worked with the most incredible, most caring, passionate, hardworking individuals I think you can possibly work with. Every day is a joy working with them, honestly.
To be a maintenance professional, you do have to have attention for detail. You always have to be thinking ahead, what you can do better, what you can make nicer. When you can put a smile on a resident's face, I just think that makes everybody feel good.
Slade is very reliable, and he's really been a mentor for me.
I love what I do because of the sense of collaboration, the teamwork. It's all part of our success. We're fortunate enough to have a team that's been here many years. Employee retention is just as important as resident retention. Customer and team member satisfaction, that's the #1 priority. I want everybody to feel at home, feel safe.
Residents connect with Slade a lot. When you find someone that goes above and beyond their job, it definitely means a lot to the success of our property. We had a resident that had a medical emergency at our Glenwood property.
As I was getting ready to park my truck, I realized the resident had drove through a dog park and then through a shed. I could tell they were distraught, so as I called 911, I didn't have a whole lot of time to think. I feel like I just took orders and I just did what needed to be done to help out with the situation.
He pulled him out of the car, he called the paramedic, and he saved that resident's life. Meridian Township Police Department gave Slade an award for saving his life.
That was very generous of them. It does give you a different perspective on life. How things can change in seconds. The human connection where you have that relationship. I want them to know that we're there for them no matter what.
Every day is a challenge. As long as you show up with a smile and show that you care, then you will build great rapport within your community.
Quick shout out to my HD supply guy. Thanks for keeping my shelves stocked.
My favorite part of the job is getting any service request done to a resident's satisfaction.
My favorite thing about the job has to be the variety. New scenarios, new things to fix, new things to figure out, and all the new people.
What I like most is during my 38 years of training new techs and the experience and the knowledge that they need in hope that one day they will become a maintenance legend.
I love working here. I've worked in this industry for 4 years. I should have got into this a long time ago. It's always important to try and do it right the first time. Just knowing that I'm making some of these residents' lives a little easier to live motivates me, you know.
And we do have residents that don't have a lot of family either in town or maybe even at all. And so that interaction is hugely important. But then when you take someone like Daniel who can just see a need and realize sometimes it's just being there for the little things and becoming part of their family, somebody they know they can count on.
That's Pat. She was funny. We talked about anything and everything, but that's what I liked about it.
Daniel made sure to include her in our annual pool party, which that year happened to be a Christmas in July theme.
She loved most all the holidays. She was one that didn't want help, and for me to have to carry her oxygen and hoses and all that stuff, but I really didn't give her much of a choice. Glad I did too, because she enjoyed herself. Meant a lot to a lot of people around here. She was well liked.
She passed away very shortly after the party, and Daniel was asked to be a pallbearer at her funeral. That's a testament to the relationships that our maintenance teams build with these residents.
It might be an extra mile, but it's, you know, I don't think about it that way. People need to help each other out more often, you know. It'd make the world a lot easier to live in.
Congratulations to all the nominees for the things that they've done to go above and beyond.
You inspire us every day, and we're truly thankful for all that you do.
Congratulations to all the maintenance legends out there. We couldn't do this without you.